Guys, I don't know about you, but whenever I go get coffee, I see all these cute snack boxes available. And sometimes I'm like, I just need a little healthy snack, no? And the thing is that I buy one and I look at it, and then I tell myself I just paid $5 for a few ingredients I already have at home. But it's convenience we pay for, right? You know what else is convenient? Having these Bistro Boxes pre-made in your fridge. And this way you can take them with you before hunger strikes. I'm gonna slice up some Brie here. I love Brie. I grew up eating Brie cheese in the afternoon with some fruit like grapes and pears. Actually, not far from this Bistro Box. The hardest part about assembling these is not eating your ingredients. Well, the Brie cheese before you need to pack it. Better yet, buy an extra wheel of Brie. You can use leftovers for, well, what leftovers? I've never heard of such thing, but okay, moving on. I have some hard-boiled eggs here as well for some added protein. I use my simple, easy to peel method, and I'll link that right below this video for you. I always keep extra boiled eggs for snacking, adding them into lunches, and making egg salad. I'll link my egg recipes right below this video for you. To the Brie and hard-boiled egg, I'm adding some grapes and apple slices. You can buy pre-sliced apples that have been soaked in a solution to prevent them from browning, or watch a couple of my videos to show you how I prevent my apples from browning. The links, as always, right below this video. To finish this off, I'm going to add a few baby carrots and some crackers. Notice that I'm placing the crackers in their own sealed compartment so they remain crispy and don't soak up any moisture. And now we just cover it and store. Ta-da! Easy peasy Bistro Boxes with a lot more food and ingredients you love made perfectly portable. For more snack and lunchbox ideas, check the description box right below this video. Look left, hit that red subscribe button, and I'll see you in a video next week.